Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the SCP policies. So as we have discussed before that in under IAM policy section. So I will create some AWS account and how to add AWS account inside the organization and then SCP policies and then AWS SSO. So this video will come in the part 1, part 2 and part 3 like this, right? So let's start. And this is my main account, right? This is my main account for 3, and I will add here many accounts, right? Okay, and then we'll go for SCP backup policy, tag policies, and it will come in parts, right? Part 1, part 2, part 3, and AWS SSO. So this is the first video for that, right? So basically, I have opened AWS Organization. Let me give you just a little bit. You just need to search bar, log in your AWS account, AWS Organization, and click on this, right? So then you have to open this window, and from where itself, it's a here. You can go for organizations, right? So I will add you in front of you how to add multi account in our organizations. So this is the coming, right? Add organization. Let me give you one invitation part of that. Like I have a one account and I have created one more account in different ID, right? So I can invite existing who is created, right? Already created. Okay, I invite AWS account, okay, which is already created. But what we are doing, it will also add in the same organization, but I'm just adding new account. Okay, hope you got it. Let me stop. Let me just yeah, add an AWS account. So this is asking invite an existing account. So this is the same which I told you invitation. Okay, so whatever the email address you have to verify it, and then after that we can able to do. And after that I will create these things. Now I will create transit gateway, VPC and all video, right? So this will help a lot, okay, later on. So I'm just writing is like sandbox sandbox AWS underscore sandbox, right? Account email address, I mean which email we want. Like I have gmail.com, and this is the IAM role, like it is created. I will explain later on, right? And just create, and it's simply coming. You are creating one more AWS account in your organization, right? Okay, so same thing I have discussed earlier IAM videos. Okay, I will create, right? So this is the one, right? Okay, and this is as simple as this account or member of your organization, right? And one more thing, one request to create AWS has failed in the last 90 days, right? And check for pending request for create. Your new account should be created within next few minutes. Check your pending request for creating. Let me open, because somehow it is not yet. Okay, did you notice something, right? No, not yet. Okay, no problem. Check your email to finish verify your management account. We sent a verification email. After you verify email address, then you can invite existing account into your organization. Okay, so let me do in my Gmail. Okay, just hold for that. So it is coming on the email notification. So I have just verified my AWS organization. So let me show you once again. Basically this is coming na, कि verify your management console for. So let me do, okay, once again. But which account we have created, it got failed, right? So let me show you how. And this is the coming, right? Email already exists. So somehow whatever the email I have provided, this is mine, but I think in the past I have registered the one more AWS account, right, in the same email ID. So let me stop again, and I'll show you in some time, right? Guys, our last, ID is uh, account addition is got failed, right? I'll show you. So let me recreate once more, okay? And I'll show you, okay? I have changed my email ID, okay? Okay, let's see. Uh, Let me stop for a moment, and once completed, then I'll start again, okay? Yes, guys, I have requested successfully created. Uh, this is a OU. I'm just coming in this point, okay? So I have created. This is the email ID, right? And once account is created, so we this is the organized root organization unit. Inside that, multiple OUs, right? OUs means a set of the, if we have added 10 account in sandbox, 10 account production, 10 account dev, 10 account QA, 10 account billing, I'm sorry, architecture, and 10 accounts like appliances. So these type of, so we can create OUs, right? Like master, because this is my primary account. It is already I have, right? This is my primary account. So this is at the start of the video I told you this is my primary account. So in this organization I have add multiple accounts. So this is my master account. Okay. Inside that I will add multiple accounts. So I have added multiple accounts. Okay. So AWS Sandbox, this is the email ID, right? Okay, I have added. Now one account is added. So up now the next action is come. Okay, which OU we want to assign. So I have created this sandbox account OU. How to create this? Okay, so let me tell you action and then create new. Just here like test account. I mean all test account will come this OU, right? And in front of this is the test OU created, right? Test account send message. So I just need to move. People will ask about this how to create OUs, right? So simply said that okay, root organization structure, just need to click and that's an okay. And they will ask how to move specific OUs, right? Or they will also ask how to assign specific policies on OUs, right? I will come to this point, okay? Okay, let just this is my AWS account. Okay, how can we identify this is email will come, okay, and account ID will come. Okay, this is the account ID. Hope you are aware about 12-digit account ID. Okay, let me move this account to specific OU. Okay, and move. Then I need to select the OU. Which OUs? Because my account is sandbox. So as a naming convention, so I just need to move this, right? Okay, and again and again, this is sandbox account created by today itself, right? And this is my master account. By default it master will come, right? If you are create a simple one AWS account, so this root and master will come, okay? No worries about that. And this is my main account. Inside this main account I have invited this AWS sandbox, okay? Now this is coming in inside this, right? Okay, so let me stop for a moment and then I'll come back. Let me tell you, let me come back, right? Okay, so whatever next action, so we need to log in this account. How how we can log in now, because we haven't set it any password. Okay, so this is the as simple as that. Okay, so I have opened, I'm just trying to log in the incognito window. This is the incognito window. I have entered the root account and just click the forget password. Okay, so let me show you forget password email. Okay, and once I click the forget password, then it came back, right? One email in coming back in my account. This is the might be in junk, right? And this is same email ID, gt1.singh@outlook.com. Okay, I just copy this URL. I'm just going to uh, here I just pasted, and then he is asking reset the password. Okay, so I'm just going to update the password. Okay, just hold for a moment. I have entered the password. I'm just going to click reset password. So your password reset has been successful. So going to login, because I have already logged in one account in my normal Google Chrome window. So that's why. And this is the mail is came right just now. Okay. This password has been updated. Okay. This mail is came in my Outlook email. Okay. Hope you got it. And this is the root user. Somehow people will ask ki directly root user will not come. Okay, let me tell you once again. Okay, just need to go AWS console, then it is coming AWS console, and click on root user. Directly is coming for me, right? And if will not come, so simply that as a AWS console login, might be people will come this window, right? Okay, this, okay, every time it is coming for me. Okay, leave it. I'll tell you any other video. So I'm just putting my, okay, you just hold for a moment. So I have entered in the login section, right? Okay, then it will ask done and all these things, resource done. Okay, let me tell you, and name will come AWS Sandbox. Okay, and if you want like security credential or organization, let me to show you organization first. What is coming in front of the organization? This is the invited account, right? And this is coming OU a few, and let me show you my, just a second. This is a few is coming same organization. Okay, so that is showing same organization. So it is management account email address. This is my personal, my not personal, this is my main account. Okay, so this is managed by this, all the billing and all these things comes on this email ID, right? And if you want to leave this organization, so just leave this organization option is also there. Policies, AWS account, this is my, which I have invited. We couldn't load the root of the organization. Okay, what is the main difference? People will ask this question, okay, if you have invited, so can we do that root account mm, uh, OUs, right? Can we list it there? No, this is not here possible. What is the root account OU? This is I'm talking about, because nothing is here. No masters, master will not show, but test account is also, right? So this is also not showing there, right? So this is the main difference. Okay, main account. Okay, and here itself we can create nothing like this, right? In the main account we can do that, right? And policies label, and this is the policy. You don't have a permission to see this page because management has not granted you the permission to view the policies, right? So you do not, I didn't provide any policies and all, right? Okay, so this is the base, how to add the account in your organizations, how to log in. First you are going to log in, just need to reset the password will send you a link and directly you are coming, right? Okay, so one more thing, right? AWS, and if you want to do like EC2 service, right? So you should have look like, right? This is the, let me show you. One security group is created by default, is coming, and one more thing I would like to tell you. Wow, I am missing my mind. I'm not able to recall. I I would like to tell you. Yes, I am inside the IAM, right? And I think organizational account access role. So this is also created, right? I hope you got it. When I am inviting this email ID, jt1.outlook, saying outlook.com email ID, right? So this is asking this account access role need to be created. So this is the one, right? And by default, these is created access AWS service role for organization. If people will ask, right, who have worked the build part or AWS organization build part. So we simply said that I mean SSO organization and support role and access role, four need to be created, but somehow do not say like initially, because we are sure right now okay, five need to be created. Okay, so we simply say five role need to be created, but this is the additional one, right? And policy, let me tell you, uh, this is the one, right? And one more, no, this is the things, right? Just hold for a moment, okay? Okay guys, this is the role part I have to explain. So I have created this, right? And this is the base for AWS SCP organization and SSO. I will create one more account, but I will not create a video. So I told you I have created in front of you this account. I will create one more account which will come this OU test account OU. Okay, and this is the one more major if you have created any OU and you have need to set it and then go to the organization, right? These type of the people will come. Can we do that, right? These root account like, and you do not have a permissions, right? We cannot root or OU, we cannot other OUs, right? Okay, so these type of the things need to be asked. And policies level I will discuss in the next video. This is the first video, okay? I will discuss now second part 2. It's SCP, okay? And how to control these type of the policies, right? Where it is AWS control tower, uh, like AWS backup policies, okay? I will discuss these, and but before that, is this my main account? Yes, yes, this is my main account. Okay, sorry, this is the coming like how to create the policies and all, right? This is the policy. I'm just checking in services. Okay, this is, I was mistaken. So, sorry for that. Then this is the backup policies and SCP and tag policies. I will create a video on this, right? And how to apply specific OU, what services, what row, and SSO is the third video. Okay, next video will come completely explanation on this, right? And I will try to explain something here, right? AWS health, yeah, AWS SSO I will do later, right? And one more thing I will explain: compute optimizer, firewall manager. Yeah, system manager, right? The system manager, service quota, and the service catalog. These three, I mean, after the SSO, I will explain how to work with it. Just if you guys some experience, so service catalog. What is service catalog? You just need to like if you want to service, you need to create a catalog and some set of the services we want to launch, right? So catalogs, it's something like that, same, right? And the system manager, you know about that. Tag policies, you know about that, right? Okay, if you don't know, I will definitely explain. Guys, I would request, if you like this video, so kindly do share and subscribe. Okay, I will post over the LinkedIn, and you can comment if you have any question. uh, if you have any question, so you can comment on this, right? Over the YouTube itself, right? And thank you guys, thanks for watching.